Now let's give this one a shot too. And again, this is one of those where it's like, hey, it equals a negative. Can't have that. No, gotta get rid of everything on the side there. So I don't want that negative 35 with that negative absolute value of x. I'm gonna have to add 35 to both sides. Okay, plus 35 to both sides. That's nice. Gonna zero that out. Negative 27 plus 35 is 8, and that's positive 8. So now the negative absolute value of x equals 8. Now some of you, like I said, may benefit from seeing that as -1. And if that's you, feel free to do that, okay? It's not a big deal. But what we don't want to do at this point is distribute. Never distribute with absolute values. It's not that you can't, it's just that some special scenarios are going to change things up. Like this one. Let's divide both sides by -1 to make that a phantom positive 1. And we get an absolute value of x equals now -8. Now, if you continue kind of mindlessly on this one, because we are getting used to it, which is, I mean, it's understandable. Some students say, hey, look, x equals -8 and x equals 8. Hey, that's pretty good, right? The problem with this is that you can't have an absolute value come out as a negative. Remember, this is a distance problem, and you got a negative value for that. That's no good. So all this was irrelevant other than to show you common errors that we see. At this point, we would just say that it's a D and E kind of problem right there.